In September, Saudi Arabia's bank loans reached SR2.85 trillion, $760.84 billion, with a 12.16% annual growth rate, the highest in 19 months. The Saudi Central Bank, also called SAMA, reported that most of these loans went to businesses, making up about 53.5% of the total. Business loans grew by 15.75%, while personal loans increased by 8.3%. This shows a rising demand for business funding. Real estate was the top sector for business loans, making up 20.37% of these loans and increasing by 28.63% to reach SR310.83 billion. Next were the wholesale and retail trade sectors with 13.07%, totaling SR199.45 billion, and manufacturing with 11.78%, reaching SR179.83 billion. Loans to electricity, gas, and water supply sectors made up 11.25% of all business loans, amounting to SR171.62 billion and growing by 29.35%. The professional, scientific, and technical services sector received only 0.63% of business loans, but it had the highest growth rate at 79.6%, totaling SR9.69 billion. Saudi Bank's loans-to-deposits ratio fell slightly to 79.66% in September from 79.71% the previous year, based on SAMA data. This ratio includes loans minus provisions and commissions, giving a clearer view of real lending capacity. SAMA sets a limit of 90% for loans to deposits to balance lending capacity with stability. Unlike some Gulf countries, such as the UAE where loans can exceed deposits, SAMA's limit aims to keep Saudi banks stable. Corporate real estate lending in Saudi Arabia has grown as the country works toward its Vision 2030 goals of urban development, economic growth, and attracting investment. Real estate is the largest area of corporate lending due to strong demand for infrastructure, like housing, offices, and large projects such as NEOM and the Red Sea developments. Riyadh is benefiting the most, drawing local and international companies that need office space. The regional headquarters program also encourages global companies to set up offices in the city, boosting the office market further. New regulations and a clear land registry system are also helping to grow investor confidence in Saudi real estate. The General Authority for Statistics reported a 2.6% rise in real estate prices in the third quarter of this year, showing high demand for homes and commercial spaces. Major cities like Jeddah and Riyadh have seen big increases in land and building prices due to high demand. The Real Estate General Authority expects Saudi Arabia's property market to reach $69.51 billion in 2024 and $101.62 billion by 2029, with an annual growth rate of 8%. Saudi Arabia's professional, scientific, and technical services sector is also growing quickly, with a focus on research, development, and innovation. The new Saudi Minds platform, launched in October by the Research, Development, and Innovation Authority, supports this growth by giving researchers, innovators, and institutions resources and access to funding. This platform encourages knowledge sharing, international collaboration, and boosts demand for financial services. As Saudi Arabia works toward Vision 2030, investment in innovation and technology is expected to keep growing and support the economy. For more updates, keep watching.